Good morning, students. Now let's come to the next topic, that is the area. What is the area? Area is that which occupy which area is a space occupied by a object by a plane figure. What is the area? We will take an example like a table. Now area of the table is, this is a table. Suppose we will say like that, this is a table. This much space occupied by table on the floor, this is called the area. This shaded portion is called the area. मतलब how much space is occupied by a anything, that is called the area. Now measurement of area, the portion of a plane enclosed figure of the square. If we have to given a occupied space with a side 1 centimeter, then its area is equal to 1 into 1. that देखो area, that means a centimeter square. ठीक है. Again I repeat, the portion of the plane enclosed by a square of the side is 1 centimeter, then its area is a 1 centimeter square. If region enclosed by a square of the side is a 1 meter, then area is a 1 meter square. Understand? In that we will which unit we will take, we will put a square, something that is depend on formula. Now let's come to the first, that is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is always equal to length into breadth. Understand? Length into breadth. Now we will denote this, the area of the rectangle, by A. We will represent A as a rectangle, area of rectangle, that is equal to L by B, or L into B. L is the length of rectangle and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Now if we in a statement we have to give an area of rectangle and breadth, then how we will find the length, that is the area upon breadth. Similarly, same as it is, if we have to given area and length, then how to find the breadth, that is equal to area divided by length. Now find the area of rectangle of the length 5 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. How to find? That is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is equal to 20 centimeter square. Please put these unit also. Find the length of the rectangle of the area is a this one and breadth is a 2 centimeter. Now what we will do, we will find the length of the area. Area of the rectangle we have given and breadth also given. How to find the length of, that is equal to area upon breadth, that is equal to this much divided by 2 centimeter. Now these units are different. Firstly we will change a centimeter into millimeter. Understand? Now for 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, मतलब कि 10 millimeter. That means the 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeter. Understand? Now what we will do, that is the 40, again divide this, what we will get, 22, that is a 1 mm we will take. Understand? Area is with the square and length and breadth is with the millimeter and millimeter. Understand? As the area is in a mm square, then the breadth is also has been expressed in a millimeter. Understand? Now next one is, find the breadth of the rectangle whose area is this one and length is this one. Same as it is, what we will do, this area is given in a centimeter square and length is given in a meter. Firstly we will change these meter into centimeter. Understand? Now what we will do, that change into centimeter. After that cut it, and what we will get, 14 centimeter. Now area of the square is equal to side length of the side का square. Understand? Now we will denote a area as a and length of the side is a. That means the a is equal to a small a square. Now if we have to give an area, then area of square, then how to find the side, that is equal to a is equal to, on that साइड हेयर इट्स ए स्क्वायर, इधर लेके जाओगे तो वहाँ बन जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट. Understand how to find a square root? We will discuss when we find the sum or doing a sum. Find the area of the square of side 2.5 centimeter. Now area of the side same as it is 2.5 centimeter whole square, that is equal to after multiplication 6.25 centimeter square. Now in that, if the area of the square is this much, then find the length. How we will find that length of the side is equal to square root of this much. Now how to find the square root? Square root we will find, like firstly we will find the factors of the 2500. How to find? Wait, firstly we will find the factors of 2500. You all know how to find the factor, that is on a 2. Again this is on a 1250, again on a 2, again this is on a 5. Now this is not divisible by 2, again this is after that it is divisible on 5, 125, again on a 5, that is on 25, again on a 5, and this much. Now what we will do, we will write these factors in a square root, these all factor, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now make the pairing of these factors, 2 pair we will make, this one, this one, this one. For find the value of the square root, we will take from out these factors from the, we will take out from these factor from square root, we will take a 1 factor, that is equal to 2 1 into 5 into 5, 5 into 10 2 into 5 10, 10 into 5 50, that is equal to 50 mm. Understand? That is equal to 50 mm. We will find the, now we will convert this into centimeter. Now these all are the units and the conversion, that how to change 1 centimeter is equal, how to change centimeter into millimeter, and how to change this square. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. That means how to find the square, unit of the area, unit of the length this much, and unit of the area, that is equal to 1 centimeter scale is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. मतलब इन दोनों का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा तो इन दोनों का भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, इसका भी स्क्वायर करोगे हाउ, कितनी जीरो आ जाएगी, 4 जीरो आ जाएगी. ठीक है, दिस ऑल्सो स्क्वायर सेम एज इट इज. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. Example 1. The perimeter of the rectangle is 250 centimeter and its breadth is 50 centimeter. Find its area. Now perimeter of the rectangle we have to given and breadth also we have to given. Find its area. Firstly what we will do, find the length of the rectangle. We will take as a length of the rectangle, we will take as a x. Understand? Now the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. That is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. ठीक है. Now what we will do, the perimeter of rectangle 250, put the value, that is a 2, and length we will take as a x and plus 50 is our breadth. Now solve this, 2 अंदर multiply हो जाएगा, 2x plus 2 into 50, that is a 100. ठीक है. Now that is equal to, wait, 250 is equal to 2x plus 100. Now we will find the value of x. What we will do, take this on that side, that is equal to 250 minus, here on that side it is a in a plus, इधर आ जाएगा तो 100 minus को आ जाएगा, that 2x as it is. Now subtract this, what we will get, that is 150, that is equal to 2x. Now we will find the value of x. 2 is multiplied by x, on that side it's divisible by 150. After divide, x is equal to 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 75. That means the length of the rectangle is a 75. Now length भी आ गई, breadth भी आ गई. How to find the area, that is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to this much and this much square. Now find the perimeter of the rectangle, of area is this much and length is this much. Now how to find, firstly we have to give an area and length. We will find the perimeter of the rectangle. अब एरिया गिवन है और लेंथ गिवन है, ब्रेथ फाइंड कर लेंगे. हाउ वी विल फाइंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल, दैट इज एरिया डिवाइड बाय लेंथ. ठीक है. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग, पुटिंग द वैल्यू, बट वी विल गेट 20 मीटर. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल, दैट इज 2 times of length plus breadth, putting the value, and what we will get, 88 is the answer. Now next one, the perimeter of the square is a 80 centimeter. Find its area. Now perimeter of the square is this much. Find its area. Firstly, we will find the length of the side of the square. How we will find in a perimeter? When we will do in a first exercise, how to find the length of the side when perimeter is given. That is equal to perimeter divided by 4. ठीक है, that is equal to this much, 20 centimeter आ गया. Then how to find the side? That is equal to length of these side square, that is a 20 centimeter square, that is a 400 centimeter square. Now, next one is the area of the square field is this much and find its perimeter. Firstly, area of the square we have to given. Firstly, we will find the length of the side of the square. How we will find when area is given? That is equal to square root of this much. इसी के इक्वल होता है स्क्वायर में, देखो. Understand? Now again we will find the factors by this method. Again that method if you want to use, then this simple also. 60 meter into 60 meter, we will take out a pairing of these 60, we will take out a 1, that is equal to 60 meter. Now find the perimeter, that is equal to 4 into length of the side, that is equal to this much. Now a square piece of the cloth of a size 25 meter square is cut into rectangular strips, each of the width 50 centimeter. Find the number of the strips and their total length of it in a meter. Firstly, the area of the square piece is this much. How we will find the length of the side? That is equal to now the area square root of area. Then we will write a 25 like 5 meter into 5 meter. We will write like that also. This much 5 meter into 5 meter. Now this is in a pair, we will take a 1, that is a 5 meter. Now length of its side is a 5 meter. How to find the number of the strips? How we will find the number of the strips? That is equal to the length of the side divided by the strips width we have to given, divided by the width of the strip. That is equal to 10. This is in a meter and this is in a centimeter. Firstly, we will convert this into centimeter. After that, what we will get, number of strips is a 10. Then the length of the strips. Length of the strips देखो, लेंथ कितनी होएगी? जितना कि जो उन्होंने बताया कि लेंथ जो स्क्वायर पीस का क्लॉथ्स है, जितना उसकी साइड की स्क्वायर होगा उतनी उसकी लेंथ स्ट्रिप्स की लेंथ होगी. दैट मीन्स बोथ आर इक्वल, दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर. हाउ टू फाइंड द टोटल लेंथ? दैट इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिप्स इनटू नंबर ऑफ द स्ट्रिप्स. हाउ वी विल फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिप्स? We will find like that, length of the strips into number of the strips, that is equal to 50 meter. Understand? Now exercise sum 1 to 12 question on your fair copy.